Unlock the potential to craft and Monet's captivating children's book stories effortlessly, thanks to our ready-made, distinctive, top-tier stories across various niches. Seize the opportunity within the booming children's entertainment market, which surged to $11.2 billion in 2022, and is projected to reach $18.1 billion by 2028. Discover how to establish an income loop with children's books, yielding increased passive sales, diversified income streams, and a broader customer base. In our beginner-friendly TaleForge course, you'll receive precise instructions on leveraging your children's books to generate revenue from sales, draw in fresh customers, and earn advertising revenue. All the while, you'll fortify your brand and cultivate loyal repeat customers. TaleForge is an inclusive course and training program designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to produce and market top-tier children's books online. Utilizing AI. Through our user-friendly approach and comprehensive toolkit, you'll discover how to create and distribute sought-after, successful books, even without prior writing or design expertise, all thanks to AI. Our course offers detailed, step-by-step instructions and all the essential resources to kickstart your journey towards generating passive income from children's book sales, powered by AI. These stories are meticulously crafted to captivate young minds, ensuring prolonged engagement. Adored by children, they are specifically engineered to grasp attention and ignite imagination. You will learn how to transfer text prompts' unique stories into image prompts with on-top AI tools done for you. The Whispering Tree. Part 1, The Tales of Yore. Once upon a time, in a lush, enchanted forest, there stood a magnificent oak tree, its branches stretching towards the sky like outstretched arms. But this tree was no ordinary tree, it was known far and wide as the Whispering Tree, for it held within its ancient heart the wisdom of ages past. One bright morning, a curious child named Lily stumbled upon the tree while wandering through the woods. Mesmerized by its grandeur, she approached cautiously, her eyes wide with wonder. As Lily drew nearer, she heard a soft, melodious voice emanating from the tree. "Greetings, young one," it whispered, its voice like a gentle breeze rustling through the leaves. "Come closer, and I shall regale you with tales of the magical kingdom and the wonders that dwell within." Intrigued, Lily stepped forward, her heart racing with excitement. And so, beneath the leafy canopy of the Whispering Tree, she listened intently as it began to recount stories of brave knights, wise wizards, and mischievous fairies, weaving a tapestry of adventure and enchantment. With each tale, Lily's imagination soared to new heights, her eyes sparkling with delight. TaleForge is an easy-to-follow course that teaches you how to create children's story books that are selling incredibly well on huge platforms with hungry buyers. Completely hassle-free. This course empowers you to effortlessly navigate these hurdles, ensuring your stories resonate with young readers across the globe. Immerse yourself in the magic of AI-driven storytelling as we guide you through the process of crafting compelling narratives with AI. Learn the art of sparking curiosity, imparting wisdom, and fostering empathy, all while captivating your audience's attention. But we don't stop there. Dive into the realm of visual storytelling with AI, where you'll discover how to create stunning images that breathe life into your tales. From whimsical landscapes to endearing characters, master the art of visual enchantment with ease. Crafting captivating narratives. Dive into the fundamentals of storytelling, from character development to plot twists, and learn how to weave magic into your tales that captivate young hearts and minds. Navigating the digital landscape. Explore the world of ebook publishing and gain hands-on experience in formatting, designing, and optimizing your stories for digital platforms like KDP. Unlocking creativity. Unleash your creative potential with innovative exercises and techniques tailored to fuel your imagination and overcome creative blocks. Understanding publishing. Demystify the process of self-publishing on top platforms, from setting up your account to navigating royalties and marketing strategies. Building lasting connections. Connect with a community of like-minded storytellers, share feedback, and gain insights from industry experts to elevate your craft. Enroll in our course. Access top children's stories generated by AI. Input prompts into AI tools to create unlimited children's book stories. Edit fonts to personalize. Avoid the hassles of product research and development. Craft your book design. Utilize AI to design your book cover and images. Simply input prompts and let AI generate awesome visuals for your book. Publish your book. Once your children's storybook is created and designed, publish it on major platforms or your own website. See your sales roll and begin selling your storybook across various niches and categories. Sit back and enjoy the profits as your book gains traction with customers. What exactly is AI-powered children's storybook creation? Our course harnesses the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to assist in the creation and design of children's storybooks. AI algorithms help streamline the writing, illustration, and formatting processes, making book creation more efficient and accessible. Do I need any coding or technical skills? No coding or technical skills are required. Our course is designed for individuals with varying levels of technical proficiency, including beginners. We provide user-friendly tools and tutorials to guide you through the AI-powered creation process. How does AI contribute to the creation of children's storybooks? AI can aid in various aspects of storybook creation, including generating story ideas, suggesting illustrations, and even formatting the layout of the book. By leveraging AI technologies, creators can expedite the book creation process and produce high-quality content more efficiently. Can AI truly replicate human creativity and storytelling? While AI can assist in many aspects of the creative process, it's essential to understand that it doesn't replace human creativity entirely. Instead, AI serves as a tool to augment and enhance human creativity, offering suggestions and automation to streamline the storytelling and design process. Will the storybooks created with AI be unique and engaging? Yes, the storybooks created with AI can be unique and engaging. Our course emphasizes the importance of human input and creativity alongside AI assistance to ensure that the final product resonates with readers. Additionally, we provide guidance on how to personalize and customize AI-generated content to suit your creative vision. What tools and resources will I have access to in the course? In the course, you'll gain access to AI-powered tools and platforms specifically tailored for children's storybook creation. These tools will enable you to generate story ideas, create illustrations, and design layouts efficiently. Additionally, we provide instructional materials and tutorials to help you maximize the potential of AI in your storytelling endeavors.